Hey good people, welcome and welcome back to my channel, Beauty in the Frizz. My name is Kara. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. I'm really excited about today's video because, as you all know, the new Pat McGrath Rose Decadence collection has been all the craze, and I know that shipping has been a mess. I know a lot of people haven't gotten their items yet, so I'm so glad I was able to get it on time. I did do a review a couple of days ago on everything I got from the collection, and today I'm going to be doing a 4-look eyeshadow tutorial using the items I got in the collection. What's special about this look is that this is the look that Cardi B wore in her new video WAP. Yes, the vulgar one. Before the Rose Decadence collection was released, Pat McGrath did post Cardi on her Instagram and say that she had on the Rose Decadence palette and lip balm, and she also provided a step-by-step tutorial on how to get the look. So that's this look right here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I got this look and 3 others. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, keep on watching this video. Don't forget to leave me some comments in the comment section with your thoughts on the looks that I created. And if you like this video, definitely consider subscribing to my community. I'm all about accepting your natural beauty, being positive, and just talking and chatting about life's challenges, especially in this crazy world we're living in right now, and just escaping all of that for a little bit. So hopefully you'll come back. All right, let's get started.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life, hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Cause everything reminds me of you, I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you, I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind, go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya, no, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your love,
still loving this collection. I know, you know, it's very pink, but I'm still loving it. I'm enjoying playing around with the shades and combining the colors differently to create different looks. So I really do hope you enjoyed what I created. As always, you know, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure that you're taking some time out to really take care of yourself, because there is only one you. I know that might sound corny, but there's only one you, and you got to make sure that you're okay. Make sure you're staying safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.